Till the date we have learned about natural numbers and whole numbers. Now what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are simply counting numbers starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now we'll learn new numbers. They are called fractional numbers or simply fraction. Now what is fraction? Fractions are written in the form like if I write 4 upon 5. So this is called fraction. It has three parts. First part is numerator, that will come on top. Second part is the denominator, that will come below. And the third part is the line between them. This is the line. This separates numerator and denominator. Numerator always comes on top and denominator always comes at the bottom. So this is a fraction. It means a part of whole. Now what is whole? Whole means the whole part. Whole means one, complete thing, full thing. If I am, suppose there are 4 squares, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and 4 square, and if I say 1 upon 4, what does it mean? This I'll call it as 1 upon 4 or 1/4 or one part of 4, means there are total 4 parts. And I am talking about only one part of it. This means only one part. It can be any part of it. It can be first part or it can be second part, but I'll talk about only one part out of 4. So 3 parts are remaining and I'm talking about only one part. The shaded part denotes one part and the denominator denotes the total parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4 parts. So this numerator is shaded one and this is total number of parts I have. To remember, the fraction can be greater than 1 or less than 1. Let it be anything. Suppose if I write 4 upon 5. So if my numerator is smaller than the denominator, then my number will be less than 1. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Suppose if I write 5 upon 2. So numerator is greater than the denominator, then my number will be greater than 1. Because if I divide the number, then the answer is greater than 1. Now there are different types of fraction. The first one is like fraction, the other one is unlike fraction, and the third one is unit fraction. Now what are these fractions? Like fractions, where we have same denominator, like I am writing 2 upon 7, 15 upon 7 or 3 upon 7. So we all have the same denominator. So these are like fractions. Unlike fractions, where denominators are all different. If I write 2 upon 3, 2 upon 5 or 2 upon 8. Now here numerators are same, that is not going to make any difference. We just have to check the denominators. Denominators are all different, 3, 5 and 8. So these are unlike, जो एक जैसे नहीं है. Unit. Now what is unit? Unit means 1. So जिस केस में न्यूमरेटर सब 1 होंगे वो यूनिट फ्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. नीचे कुछ भी हो, नीचे कोई सा भी नंबर हो, that is not going to make any difference. We just have to check the numerator in this case. The numerator has to be only 1. So like, unlike and unit fraction. There are 3 types of fractions. How can we compare the fractions? There are 2 methods by which I can compare the fractions. Suppose I have number 4 upon 6 and the other number is 5 upon 8. Now if I want to compare these fractions, यहाँ पे numerator छोटा है denominator से, so this will be less than 1. यहाँ पर भी numerator छोटा है denominator से, it will also be less than 1. पर इन दोनों में से कौन सा बड़ा और कौन सा छोटा है? How will we compare them? So we have one method. We will use the cross multiplication method. This is called cross multiplication method. You just have to remember your arrows will always be facing upwards. क्रॉस बनाना है सबसे पहले, और एरोज हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ ही आएंगे, नीचे यहाँ पर एरोज नहीं लगेंगे. सबसे पहला स्टेप. दूसरा स्टेप, दिस एरो इज इंडिकेटिंग वी हैव टू मूव 8 टूवर्ड्स 4. 4 की तरफ हम 8 को ले जाएंगे, जो हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. हमारा 8 फ्लाई करके 4 के पास चला गया और वो हो गया मल्टीप्लाई. यहाँ पर हमारा 6 फ्लाई करके 5 के पास चला गया और हो गया मल्टीप्लाई. दिस इज़ हाउ वी हैव टू राइट. 8 4 के पास गया, 6 5 के पास गया, और जो जिसके पास जाएगा वो हो जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई. सो 4 8s are 32, 5 6s are 30. Now we will compare these two numbers 32 and 30. Here 32 is greater than 30. We all know. Now जो ये नंबर बड़ा है तो ये हमारे किस साइड पे लिखा हुआ है? 4/6 वाली साइड पे. तो इसके नीचे अब मैं लिख दूंगी 4/6 और 30 की जगह मैं लिख दूंगी 5/8. और ये वाला जो आपका साइन है ये एज इट इज़ आ जाएगा. दिस मीन्स 4/6 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 5/8. दिस इज़ हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू do the questions of comparison. Now let's learn how to write the comparison questions in maths copy. Suppose I want to make a comparison. I have a question of comparing two fractional numbers. One is 13/5 and the other number is 7/9. I want to compare these two numbers. Now first step, I'll write the question. Second type, I'll put the arrows facing upwards. Now I'll shift 9 towards 13 and multiply them, and I'll shift 5 towards 7 and multiply them. Now 13 multiplied by 9 is 107 and 7 multiplied by 5 is 35. Now I'll compare these two numbers. 107 is greater than 35. Now I will write the original number in place of 107. I'll write 13/5 because 107 lying towards 13/5, so I'll write 13/5 below 107, and I'll write 7/9 below 35, and we'll put the same sign of greater in among our original figures. So this is going to be my final answer. 13/5 is greater than 7/9.